Sail away into the morning light, chasing dreams across the tide. Every step's a brand new story, every wave's a guide. With the wind upon our side, we'll go where the rivers flow. Adventure calls and we will follow to the world we want to know. Look tight, tight, come and see the wide, wide world with me. Every journey, every mile, we'll learn, we'll laugh, we'll smile. The open sky, see the land, the reason why. Adventures waiting, come along. Together we'll be strong. Mountains high and oceans deep. Stories hidden, secrets deep.